Hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a beach ocean theme kind of nail design, I guess you'd say. I've been seeing so many of them and I thought I'm going to give it a try. But before I get started, don't judge me on my nail. My nerves get the best of me and it's called, self-mutilation. So anyways, just ignore the Band-Aid. Today for the design, I'm going to be using a lot of Madame Glam's polishes. I'm going to start off with the Thailand. This is a rubber base coat. It's got a milky base to it. It's so pretty and it just makes colors pop. And I thought by using that with their metallic Girl Boss, it would give it a little bit more depth. So I'm going to use those two along with Madame Glam's Perfect White. And I thought birthday cake would make a pretty beach color. And then I'm going to use some stickers, maybe. We'll see if this even turns out. So let's get started. I'm going to do a base coat on this real quick. Just a thin one, and then I'm going to put it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, so there's that. So we'll just do a thin coat of the blue, and then I think what I might do is come back and make it a little darker towards the tip because it gets darker as the ocean gets deeper. So 30 seconds. Alright, so there's that. Do a second coat. So I know that you can see the difference between the first coat and the second coat, but I'm going to put some waves in there. So this goes back in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do the sand. Don't worry about it touching the blue. You don't have to take it all the way to the blue because we're going to be putting some waves in. Alright, so here's the sand. Hope that was in the shot. In the lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, so there's that. Okay, so for the waves, we're going to use some white. And this is Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat, so we're going to add some of this. and just kind of go across where the water and the sand meets. Okay, I'm going to get a thinner brush for that. Alright, and then I have some rubbing alcohol. I think what I'm going to do is just give it a couple drops. Could probably do this with fun gel as well. Alright, so there's that. So let's put this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to just add a couple stickers to it. Okay, these ones I got off of, I believe these ones were from Shein. They've got a ton of stickers to choose from, and their prices are amazing. So we're going to put those ones there. And then I'm just going to use another single one. I don't want to make it too busy. So, alright, and there's that. Okay, so this is just a simple design. It's not going to be anything too extravagant. And now I'm going to finish it off with the no wipe top coat. I just want to make sure everything's covered. Alright, so this goes in the lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, and there it is. An easy ocean beach design. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.